Itong obserbasyon ni Direk Mark Reyes sa File 4 Boys and File 4 Girls. Napabilib kaya siya ng batch na ito?
I've handled all 5 batches of Starstruck since batch 1 as a guest director. This is the better batch in terms of discipline. They listen. I was able to give a lot of lessons. I think naalis ng mga pasaway So, ang inabuta ko dito yung medyo nakikinig ng mga bata na. So, they're a pretty good batch.
But were they able to deliver?
Hindi na kasi charming, very, attractive siya. So, lahat ng mga ginagawa niya, dahil pa-flex, parang music flex naman to. So, bumabagay sa kanya.
Si Nina, nagsastrive naman siyang gawin yung best niya. Kaso, parang nakikita ko sobrang nadadala sa nervyos. Kaya hindi niya nagagawa ng maayos.
Nina, kulang. Kulang yung performance and commitment to performance at saka sa kanyang confidence.
Si Diva, okay siya. Okay siya today. Parang na-express niya yung gusto niyang i-express dun sa music niya.
I don't know kung ano yung na-hold back niya, pero I think she can do more.
She's one of my top performers for today.
Si Rox, okay din. Ayun. Na ginagawa niya rin yung best niya. Kumbaga, rehearse rin siya ng rehearse. Ayaw niya rin magkamali.
Kailangan pa niya mag-deliver. Kukulangan ako sa kanya.
Yung maganda kay Sarah, in-internalize niya talaga yung gusto niyang ipahiwati. So, kaya mas nagiging maayos yung mga exam.
Sarah has the height and has the presence. Okay? And she has the voice also. I think she's my second choice for today.
Si Steven, kita mo sa mata niya yung gusto niyang ipahiwatig sa partner niya.
Steven has to come out of his shell. Pag kumanta siya, maganda yung boses niya. Pero in terms of a total performer, he has to really work hard.
Magaling si Rocco. Sobrang like ko siya. Yung expression niya, tama. Hindi siya OA, hindi din siya less.
Rocco, I think, knows that he is a better performer than the others. He has the confidence. He comes out on screen.
Ian, okay din. Pero siguro naging barrier niya rin yung pag-i-English. Ay, yung language niya. Pero tinatry niyang gawin lahat.
Ian, natutuwa ako. I just found out na he learned the language in 5 months.
Parang meron pa siyang gusto ma-explore. Masyado siya interested sa ginagawa niya. So, yun yung maganda kay Enzo. Nakatutok siya.
Marunong siya kumarte, alam niya yung timing, nag-a-adlib siya. So I think he is one of my top 2 performers for today.
Time to name your top 4.
Enzo and Rocco. Sarah and Nina.
Ian and Rocco. Diva and Sarah.
My top 2 girls would be Sarah and Diva. My top 2 boys would be Rocco and Enzo, in no particular order.
Tapos na ang music flick, pero nagsisimula palang magkalabasan ng sama ng loob sa isa't isa.
Good evening, Rox. We made it with those giant heels. May iba naman tayo, Rox. Meron ba kayong Cold War na?
Kasi napansin ko lang kay Diva, parang sinasabi naman niya sa akin before pa, sabi niya the way I talk daw nga, maarte ganyan. So, one time, parang nakita ko lang siya dun sa harap ng sa room. Tinatry niya ako i-mimic na parang niya gano'n. So, nung ginawa niya lang yun, parang medyo na-offend ako in a way.
Diva, what can you say?
I think, for me, that was a joke, but I think you're not open to that joke that time.
At eto na si Steven. Nag-develop daw kayo ni Diva?
Talaga close kami. Kasi from the start, because we're both from the regionals, so we're really close, and I feel really comfortable with her.
Mas malalim yung pagkakakilala ko sa kanya. Parang responsable na siya.
Sa mga boys, nag-share ba si Steven sa inyo?
Nakikita ko yung mga closeness nila, si Steven at saka si Deepster. So parang I noticed they're like really close.
Alam ko may special friend ka daw sa US.
I have a friend, yeah, I talk to her sometimes.
Diba, may jealous factor ba yun?
Actually, na-meet ko na yung girl. So, sobrang bait din.
Steven, I'll be honest with you. Do you like Diva?
I would say yes.
Up next, the most emotional vote out in Starstruck history. This is Starstruck 5.